a high pass filter plugin. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about a high pass filter plugin. Alright, so the plugin that I want to talk about today is the Subcut from Iceberg. I don't like the word subcut or low cut filtering, and that's basically because the word cut in the Netherlands means something else. But this plugin is called Subcut, so I have to deal with it now. Subcut lets you apply precise low cuts under 220 Hz. Yeah, but why? Remove unwanted sub bass or make room when layering bass sounds. Okay. But why? Auto mode analyzes audio in real time and continually adjusts the cut by following the notes of your source material. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Isolate problematic frequencies in your mix or in your studio. Oh, so it's also a monitoring plugin? So you can isolate problematic frequencies in the studio, not only in the mix, but also in the studio. I might need it here then, because my subs go a bit too low sometimes. Like I'm sometimes really afraid that the ceiling will drop down. Most of all, considering that I built the ceiling myself and I'm not a good builder. Audio demo. Well, this is such a moment that okay. My volume was turned up all the way. Thanks, Leonard. Okay. But does that... Okay. I mean that's a high pass filter on there, yeah. Yeah, makes sense. On this sound, yeah, makes sense. Yeah, makes sense here, yeah. Yeah. I'm not sure yet. So what they're doing here in the beginning of that sample, I would actually choose to shelve the low end, and before shelving it, first running it through some saturation or something, so that you at least get the feeling of that low end, so that you get some harmonics from that original frequency. I would do that. I think what I need to do is just checking it out. Well, this is it. It's a one-knob plugin. We've got the auto mode here, we got solo, we've got the 3 different slopes. Yeah, activation, I'm running the demo. Speaking about that, this plugin was... I actually don't even know how it came on my list. Let me check. This plugin was apparently suggested for me to take a look at by Iceberg Audio. One of my assistants did put the plugin on this list. I'm not in contact with them. Nobody gets a saying in this video whatsoever. Everything that I'm saying is my complete, honest and independent opinion. And if you appreciate that, check out my new merchandise. It's in the merch shelf down below. Or if you're still shopping, late Black Friday shopping, check out my affiliate links, Thomann and Sweetwater. It's highly appreciated if you do. Let's just test this thing. Let's just run some audio through it. So let's do that steep filter. Let's just see what it does. Yeah, it high passes. Just like a Pro Q high passes, like. So, what's the difference? What's the difference? We've got another slope here. Okay, and another slope. Yeah. Let's solo this on my bass line. So pretty pure sine wave bass line, a little bit of harmonics. Auto. So what that auto mode is now doing is basically just taking the fundamental frequency away. And on a kick, what does it do on a kick? Yeah, okay, but what makes this... One of the things that is really important in filtering. So here's a quick high pass filter tutorial. When you're going for brick wall filtering, and you can replicate this in the Pro Q. When you're going for brick wall filtering, and I've tested the Subcut, it's not a brick wall filter. But when you're going brick wall, you can get some ringing. Let me show you how that sounds. Like, so brick wall, turning it up. And we're turning my kick into an 808, basically. Now, as you saw, one way to mitigate this is by switching it to a 96 decibel per octave filter. Another way is by using linear phase, but you can get pre-ringing from that if we go to a too high quality setting. As you can hear right now. So it's all, you know, as with everything, you have to know what you're doing. But Subcut isn't using a brick wall filter, it's using a 96 dB per octave filter. I think we can figure that out. But a thing that is important to realize is that a high pass filter isn't just a high pass filter. That's basically what I wanted to say. All right, let's quickly ask the doctor here. 96 decibels per octave, Q factor of 1, and a frequency of 30 hertz. Now let's do 30 hertz here as well. It's the same thing. Now when we turn this thing up, does it change its curve or something? Nope. I think I can just match it with the FEP filter. When we turn it down, yeah, of course. Okay, so it bypasses its filter at its last moment, and then it can filter all the way down to 26 hertz, while FEP filter can filter all the way down to 10 hertz. Not saying that you're needing this, but I'm just trying to find the value of this plugin. Let's get a more subtle slope, which I can also match by just using a 48 decibel per octave, and when we turn it up, it doesn't change the slope, I think. Nope! In terms of processing, it's doing the exact same thing as the FEP Filter Pro Q. It's nothing special. It has a small overview over here to show you where the frequencies are. But guess what? FEP Filter has that as well. It's called a spectrum analyzer. It has an auto mode that doesn't work, so I'm not missing it. And it can translate your frequencies into notes, which FEP Filter can do as well. So they are selling this thing for $35, but why? Now, can it get more snake oil than this? We're putting a standard high-pass filter in a plugin, and we're selling it for $35, and people are going to buy it. It's all money, 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 money. Bye. I mean, do they really think that audio engineers are so stupid? Do they really think that we're, because we're not, right? And then they're emailing me. They emailed me if I wanted to take a look at it. I mean, they could have known. They could have known this. Like, give me a reason. Give me a reason why there's value in this. There's zero. Unless you think different. Let me know in the comments down below. Now, if you like my videos and want to support me, consider checking out my Patreon campaign or YouTube memberships. It's links down below and over here. Content is the same on both. I'll link a playlist with the content over here. Another way to support me is by subscribing and watching more videos. I'll link one of my videos over here. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep pushing. And bye-bye.